Hello, my name is Rodeane Henry-Grant, and I'm fortunate enough to carry many titles: educator, Black feminist, abolitionist, linguist, ludologist. I am also the co-founder of C.A.R.E, which is the Coalition of Anti-Racist Educators, and a podcaster. I think as an educator, I never realised the importance of representation and how that coincides with whiteness. And I'm not talking about skin colour here. I'm still new to the profession, so throughout my life, I like to share stories and about how I have explored many kinds of oppression, yet somehow the existence of whiteness still eludes me. I have been a secondary school teacher in one of the most diverse and unequal cities on the planet, the birthplace of an empire, eugenics, racial order, and yet completely clueless about representation and whiteness. So, in my career, I've been blessed to impact thousands of students and hundreds of colleagues, structures, policies, practices, and that's something that I would really love to chat to you about. Thank you.